Okay, it looks like a beautiful and sunny day here, and it is right now. 45 degrees, great. But tomorrow, the winter weather hits. The wind chill overnight tomorrow night is going to get down to like -25, they're predicting. So we really have to make sure that the animals are shored up and ready for this crazy winter weather. So join us as we scramble together. Hello, baby. All right, so here is the update on our goats. You can see Clove is getting really big. For this very cold week, we got a bag of wood chips that we're going to stick in their little shelter. And hopefully that can insulate it really well and keep it warm. We've got a big bowls of food and water that we can keep up with. And for the next couple days, normally they sleep apart because I milk Lily in the mornings, but I'm probably going to let them both sleep in that little house and stay together and stay warm. Why are you upset with me? What did I do this time?
Lily's a drama queen.
Lily is a drama queen. She is, no, hey, you can't go in there. Come on. She gets passive aggressive towards me when she's upset with me. It's really funny. Alright. You like that?
They like it.
Hello. All right, now they have a freshly bedded, hopefully will be a lot warmer house, which will be really good for them and will provide a lot of insulation, hopefully to keep them warm. We are probably going to take some like towels or tarps or things and kind of drape it over the entrance to this at night just to provide kind of a wind block. So next we're going to move on to the Bresses. Snuggly. Yeah. Hey girl. What's he doing? All right. Okay, so this is the pen where we have one turkey plus our 5 American breast chickens. These are actually, I won at the homesteading expo a set of hatching eggs and we hatched them. And now we have these chickens. And hopefully they will start laying eggs soon and we can hatch some more. But they have their little house here. So we're just going to dump some more wood chips into that. All right, that should be pretty good. Should keep them nice and warm. This is Varda, and she is our black Holland Lop doe. She's super sweet, but a little shy. Yes, she knows what that is. Every time I scoop my hand up, she comes and, hi. So since these are smaller rabbits, the Holland Lops, they stay warmer by pressing themselves up against the edges. So we're gonna put a little more wood chips on the edges than normal. With the mini lops though, since they're bigger, and I know Sunny personally likes doing this, they will dig their own hole and snuggle themselves inside of it. And they will look like a fluffy blob, and it's very cute. Okay, that one is done. Sunny Bunny. This is my orange mini lop doe Sunny, and she is my showmanship rabbit. She is a little stuffed animal, and she is so sweet. And she is the one that I told you loves her nesting box, and she loves to just cuddle up in it after she's dug her own little hole. Oh, she's happy. Yeah, I know you're happy. It's really cute when you come out here to fill her water up. She'll do a binky, except her cage isn't big enough for her to just binky, and so she'll have to like kick off the edge. So a binky is when they're super happy. They'll do a little jump and kind of flip in the air. It is really cute when she does it. And she'll do it a lot. Like if I grab her water bottle, she binkies like 12 times.
And last but not least, we have a few animals we're just not going to risk it with. We have some brand new chicks and the brooders in the garage, and we are going to bring them inside. And also, we've set these brooders up here. We need to put wood chips in this one. We're going to bring Michaela's show silkies inside. Silkies are a little more delicate anyway, and we just want to be sure that we're taking good care of them during this cold time. They don't have as big and nice of a barn as the lay chickens. I'm not worried about them. They're going to be fine. But yeah, we're going to bring the silkies inside. But I think that's everyone, and I think we are all ready for the storm. We'll update you and let you know how it goes.